Evening guys, thought I'd do my new format of doing a video. Just a couple of the pics on the website. Seems only KB's put some down. Start the XAO top down. I said that I expected it to actually close up today after the Dow, but negative sentiment, and I see we following that through on the website. We're still in an overall uptrend. See what happens tonight on the Dow. I don't know, it's a minus 57, so at this stage we're looking at a down night, so this could possibly turn down. I think I mentioned if it does, we'll be looking at something down here. But if we break this 4-5 bit, it could be a bit worse than it could be the reversal if it breaks that 4-5. We certainly don't want to be visiting that again. I heard a comment the other day about, visiting 4-5 will be healthy. I totally disagree with that. I don't see any reason why we'd want to be down there around that area again so soon. If anything, it's going to prove that we're in a reversal. Okay, let's get into it. HEG. Yep. To me, the fact that this has been a downtrend since September, and not even really shown much of a bit of an upturn there, but not really shown much of a much of anything that it's going to turn around. That bar there, it's still within the range of this range it's in at the moment. As it's going down, it's as good as. Did people buy on that bar? They probably did. Yeah, not for me. HSN, it's another one going in the wrong direction. Just do something here. For me, when I'm looking for stocks, I certainly wouldn't be looking at anything in a downward trend, because what you're trying to do really, you're trying to pick that bottom. So I'll just get this thing out, it'll be easy to explain. I can draw on this a bit easier. This thing's going down this way, and you're trying to pick this bottom or a bottom. It's got this 1 sentiment up. Yeah, I agree it could go up, but this is a percentage game. You're trying to put the percentages in your favour. If that's going up in that direction, you've got a huge percentage on your side. So if you were to trade that pullback there, the chances of it going up would have been greater than if you've got something that's already in a downtrend, the sentiment's down. So that, I'm not saying that's not going to go up, but you're stacking the cards against yourself before you even start. This isn't a pullback either, this is a reversal. A pullback, you'll be looking at something going up and then continuing up, so it would have that sort of pattern all the way up, and you'll see them here. I mean, here it's sort of doing that there. Just thought I would go over that. I'm not trying to be negative to all of these, it's just I wouldn't touch it. It's not to say it won't go, and if it's normal, all of my stuff has nothing to do with news. If there's news about it, it will affect it. The next one is KBL. Similar sort of thing. This pushing sideways like this, sometimes it will can indicate a consolidation period, but we've got periods where it just hasn't moved for the day, long periods as well. I just I don't know if this is a new stock or not, but don't seem to have any data. I've got data back to 92 or whatever it is. This only seems to go back to there, so I'm suggesting it's a new stock. And again, this is just range trading from here. Here, 17 to 23. You could even say, you know, that's a bit topish. You got to remember that with a stock like this, the people that are caught in here, this is a new stock, will now be in panic mode. So I would say that's what these guys here will be trying to get out there. And if you do your figures, for the volumes, you'll probably find there's more in there. So that it's gonna struggle even to get up through here. Yeah, another one I wouldn't trade with caution. There we go. That's my saying. MSL. Oh, at least we're in an uptrend. 2 dividends. Those dividends, just out of interest. 25th of the 3rd, okay, and 26. 09. So we're getting one a year, and around about the 8.5 cent mark. Just take it down to 6 months. Got quite a good range on this trial. It's 265. Yeah, the higher stocks have a better range. The higher valued stock have a better range on them, so it becomes not easier, but it's more forgiving. Maybe is the yeah. I mean, it's going in the right direction. Again, this is the accelerated pattern up, and it's failed again. Didn't push on up here. Funnily enough, it did here over this side. It pushed on up, had a bit of consolidation, pushed on up, and then failed in the end. But those two there would have been my warning. And again here, that would be a warning to me. Although these are you've got wide range bars, that is you know, huge. My system says it's a sell there and a buy today. The buy being after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, possibly still on. We've got this swing low, 2-day swing low. Really, it's not a 1-day swing low that I like to see, and then a push on up. You're looking at within since March. It's tried to get to this 285 sort of mark. It's tried it twice, failed. It's up around, you know, it's getting there, up this 280, 285 mark. So I push this on up now. Yeah, might need something. If there's news about, well, I can see it happening, but it needs to break that 80, 85 to get some steam going. PPX. Oh, again, range traded. There's nothing wrong with these range traders. There's money to be made. Again, if we get into this, there's nothing to say. There's definitely money to be made here. See how that range is getting smaller. So we went from here to here being your range. Now we're looking at here to here being your range. We've got that push, but that bar up. But you really, with the fact that we're going down and down, you would want some sort of confirmation over here. Because there's nothing to say, yeah, that next leg isn't going to go down there, and maybe push the range down here somewhere. So to trade this, you would, or I'll be looking at some confirmation around this 65 cent mark. Right, that's it.